This year, Lake Student Council and Antioch Sequoia Senate are hosting Palooza on Saturday, February 10th from 6 to 9 at Antioch High School.
We're kicking off this event with a pep assembly next Friday. Mr. Blevins and Mr. Lyons will be the MCs, so you know this will be a pep assembly to remember.
Speaking of an assembly to remember, Student Council is changing up the pep assembly and looking for volunteers, both students and staff, to participate in a variety of activities. If you want a chance to be selected to participate in an event at the assembly, use a QR code or link found in your school email and daily announcements.
Tickets for Palooza are currently on sale through Vanco. You can purchase them through the link or QR code found in your email or in the daily announcements.
Tickets are $30 each. You can bring one guest, but all guest forms must be filled out and turned in to your dean by Wednesday, February 7th. No late forms will be accepted.
The dance features a DJ and a professional MC, photo booths, 3 extreme inflatables including Wipeout and an obstacle course, and new this year we'll have a Mario Kart room with 2 huge inflatable screens and a Mario Kart tournament. And the concession stands will be open for snacks and pizza.
Sounds like a great time.